guys, what's up? It's Carly. I'm so excited for today's video. So I'm just going to be doing a gluten-free what I eat in a day in a work day. I just want to start off by making a smoothie, and I have these smoothie packs that I just made last night. So I'm going to make two different smoothies. Taylor doesn't eat, he's allergic to bananas, so I can't make him a smoothie with banana in it. And I make my green smoothie every morning, the one with mango, ginger, and banana. So this one's gonna be for me. And then for him, it's just berries, spinach, and then I'm gonna put some Greek yogurt in it as well. I prepped these smoothie jars last night. I just put the fruit in at the bottom and then the greens at the top. I'm just gonna dump them in and then add my liquid. And for my smoothie, I add water. I always add the spirulina as well. Now I have my smoothie. Usually I like to put a straw in it, but these are the wide mouth ones, and I don't have straws for the wide mouth ones. And then here's Taylor's smoothie. It's just berries, spinach, and Greek yogurt. I'm just gonna stick it in the fridge. And yesterday I organized Taylor his own shelf. So here's his name right here. And this is his shelf. So there's his smoothie for breakfast. The last thing I have to do before I go is I just add 2 pieces of this multi-seed bread into my stasher bag. And then I make avocado toast at work. I already have half an avocado at work, so I don't need to bring an avocado. I'm just gonna put 2 pieces of toast into the bag. Okay, I have a full water, I have my bread and my smoothie. I drink my smoothie on the way there. Once I get there, then I make a matcha and my avocado toast. And then, yeah, we'll see what the day brings. So I gotta go to work. For lunch, I went to my favorite restaurant. It's called Bolt Cutter, and it's all vegan food. I'm not vegan, but I love this salad. So this is the vegan Caesar salad from Bolt Cutter, and it's so delicious and one of my favorites. So after I picked it up, I brought it up to my desk and ate at my desk. Hey you guys, I'm back from work. It's 6:30, and I just want to let you know I had a snack while I was at work. I didn't show it. It's called a Wella bar, and it's like a peanut butter, honey, and like cranberry bar. Protein bar. It's pretty good. I think you can get them at Costco. They just have them stacked at my work. I think they're really yummy. And then I did have like 5 high chews just because I was like feeling like a little pick-me-up. So anyway, I had like kiwi high chews and then grapefruit, which I didn't even know they made. But yeah, so I had a couple different kinds. So yeah, I got home. I'm not super hungry right now, so I'm just gonna kind of play it by ear and eat dinner when I'm hungry and when I'm feeling like it. But for now, I'm just gonna continue to drink water. I've had 2 of these already. These are it's the Hydro Flask, and it has 32 ounces in it. And I've had 2, and I'm almost finished. I think this is almost like, I've almost finished my 3rd one. So I'm drinking a lot of water, but I think it's because I went to HiFit yesterday, and I just feel like really dehydrated since I sweat so much. So yeah, so I'm just trying to drink a lot of water, and I'll let you guys know when I make dinner. Okay, I'm gonna eat dinner now, and I'm really not that hungry, so I just decided I'd just do some yogurt, berries, and granola. A lot of times when I get home from work, I have a big lunch at work and I'm just not super hungry. So I'll have like a little snack, and then before bed, if I'm still hungry, I'll have like a banana or something. But I get this granola at Sprouts. It's so good. It's the Toasted Bakehouse soft granola, and it's cherry streusel. And it tastes like a cookie, so I'm gonna have some of that. I'm gonna do some of this unsweetened vanilla coconut milk, and then some raspberries. And that's just gonna be kind of like my dinner until I feel hungry. Maybe later I'll have a banana, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some granola, yogurt, berries, and see how I feel after. I'm just gonna finish these berries off. I feel like this year my berries have gone bad so quickly, so I just wanna make sure I eat them all before they go bad. I'm just gonna add a little granola. And this is my dinner. It's very easy. Taylor's at school, so there's no reason for me to like make food for him as well. So yeah, so I'm just gonna have some of this and see how I feel. Okay, I'm ending the night with two dates. I think they're the Medjool dates. I love them because they're nice and sweet, but they're obviously all natural sweetness, which is great. So I'm just gonna have two of these, maybe a cup of tea, and then that's it for my what I eat in a day. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.